How to schedule Reels on Facebook from Meta Business Suite. Hello everyone, I'm Sophia from Create, Login and Delete. In today's tutorial, we are diving into how we can schedule Facebook Reels using the Meta Business Suite. Scheduling your content can save your time and help maintain a consistent posting schedule. Let's jump right in and show you how it's done. First thing first, open your Facebook app. Once you're on your home page, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and you will see the option of Meta Business Suite. Tap on that. Click on the content option which is in the bottom row. You will come to this page. Now, click on Create Reel. Once you do that, click on any video that you would like to post as a reel. Wait for a couple of seconds. And now, here are a couple of options that you can edit and then click on Next. Now, over here you can add description to your reel and below you will see two options, Publish Now and Schedule for Later. So now, I will choose any random time to schedule. For example, let's choose Saturday 30th March at around 3:45 p.m. Once you do that, click on Done and then tap on Schedule. And there you have it. You have successfully scheduled a Facebook Reel using the Meta Business Suite. Scheduling your Reels can help you manage your time more effectively and keep your audience engaged with regular content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next video.